Malinog. Siya si Jeanette. She is a dancer, TikToker, choreographer, and a first runner-up of Miss Global from 2002, and first runner-up of Miss. What is this? And also barangay staff. So palihog ko pakpakay si Miss. Okay. Last but not the least. Si Ate Myra Dumog. Please stand up. So she is a TikToker or dancer or choreographer nga nadaog din siya third placer di ay sa Kababayinan 2024. And a dance instructor. A first runner-up of Mrs. Guanon 2018 and a barangay staff. So palihog ko pakpaki dahil si Miss. Maraming salamat.